mara yinga mer yenga kumwa me watim chuni bien bar ma kenyera bien dakliye tere mara tere peteni ni mara.
Tension has been brewing between NRM and NUP supporters in northern Uganda. That is, the top frontliners versus the ones in central Uganda. Mainly Coach Abdullah versus Fire. After a long period of tensions, exchange of words, criticism, and derogatory statements toward each other, recently, Coach Abdullah, who is based abroad, had to pinpoint something targeting Fire, which was a response to a statement by Fire. You can check this out.
Every person wearing yellow lose common sense to understand things. I've seen Fire went in the ghetto with a yellow overflow, find there the people wearing some NRM t-shirts, others are there in plain clothes. He went in the market and bought cassava flour or millet, I don't know, for 15,000 Ugandan shillings, and went there to deliver the cassava flour to more than maybe like 30 people, 40 people, only for one bag, maybe 25 kg. Then you have to get 1 cup of cassava flour. I think 1 cup of that cassava flour costs 250 Uganda shillings or 300. Now, this is what I was talking about, that people, they need mindset change. How can the youth can be in such a level of getting 1 cup of cassava flour for 300 Uganda shillings or 250? Then you're lining them up. It means you are oppressing your own people to understand the truth on what is going on in their country. Some of you people, you are silent. You told me, you guys, stop talking about us. We are okay. You are not okay. Let us speak the truth. You are not okay. Even us here in Uganda, we have people in some area of Kalangala. They are not okay. I agree. But they cannot reach on this level. See, people, let us speak the truth that people are suffering. People are looking for something to eat, even only something to eat. I know some of you, you know the truth, but because you are blind to see, God bless you.
Fire, on the other hand, also had some serious reply back to Coach Abdullah, which many people describe it as very funny, but to the supporters of Fire, they say it is one of the best responses that the king has ever given to an opponent.
Holy Manuel Selassie Ija, Rastafari, beautiful morning my people. I want to send a reply to Abdullah. Abdullah yesterday was saying King Jaffa is very useless. King Jaffa is being used by Museveni, is being used like a condom. I want to shame Abdullah. Abdullah, you see me here, I'm very useless to you, right? But I'm very useful to my people. You see me, product of me. I have trained people who are in Special Force Commandos. My product is abroad. Asuman Tai Chi is in Australia. Asuman Tai Chi is a martial artist who passed through my hands. Those are my products. I hear you are bragging that you have trained who, Don't underestimate me. And I want to send my message again to Mad Boxer. Mad Boxer in Latian Materi Kichet. It is claiming maybe boxer And yet professional boxer machalo Mike Tyson be la matjai. Kidong Thai boxing ubetining. What Chinese man and get to wenglo matjai. Mogin amera wechiba. Muscle art ka iti to muscle art. Ma il pengyo jai ne tia por muscle art pora. Mike Tyson be la matjai. Chira internet warenen. Yes, Mike Tyson is a ganja smoker. Mike Tyson is a ganja smoker. So all you boxers abusing marijuana and claiming you are boxers, you are not boxers. In fact, you are not martial artists. Yes, in fact, you are doing fake boxing. Abdullah, you have no nerve to call me a fake Rasta. You don't know anything to concern about Rasta. You don't know. In fact, your boss, Chagulani, is the fakest Rasta I've ever met. A Rasta who sell out for politics is Chagulani. And you are claiming that you have sold out. You have sold out. I did not sell my people. I'm not on salary. How much is NRM paying me? So you are very misinformed. And you are very less informed. So Coach Abdullah, I don't fear you. Coach Abdullah, I still continue to warn you. I don't want you to continue talking with my name. And I want to warn you, if you continue talking with my name, you are calling for death. And you are calling for disaster. Stop it. I'm not your relative. I don't know you and I don't want to know you. Go to your boss, Chagulani. You and your agenda of homosexuality will never work in Uganda. You are homosexuals. Bobby Wine signed the gay bill. Bobby Wine is the one who has sold Uganda. Bobby Wine sold Uganda.
As we were watching, we came across something very unexpected. Even you yourself, I believe you have not expected that one of the top kickboxers in the country coming in from Acholi land, but now settled in the Baganda land, that is in Kampala. That is the mad boxer himself, aka Rajkara. Acholi, you know, when he gets inside the boxing ring, the people from central Uganda cheers to him, Rajkara, and so on and so on. Very, very serious cheers. Also came up to respond to Jafire, specifically not political, but in the line of the skill of kickboxing. And he said he always sees Jafire spreading his legs in front of the camera, always almost kicking the cameraman. And he says if Jafire wants to say that he is professional, that is having skills, he should not just be shouting. He pointed at the belt and said, come on, take on me, let's have it straight away.
Kemiru nikinyang inifonye lunga ano i street ano i ring kama tumiye mad boxer tola comment section wajika ano ye wakano ya kagona ba pianing nyur maraja to nyoro boro ni yo ma ni angwa anu ro call kemiru no audio call ya to mi kunu.
What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody honestly.
Now with these altercations, threats, the hype is on. We don't know whether other kickboxers will join, like the guy from Kitgum himself, you know, if I say it like that. I don't want to mention names. I don't know where we are going to right now. I don't know even what to say. Maybe you have what to say, but first of all, check out how these guys have been training to meet each other. We don't know whether it will be soon or later. Thank you.
I just wanna be a better person. I deserve this. I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness. True to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once that I so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one started the outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. created a legacy off of me just being honest.
It's
The
good.
fake ones, but it's
King Jafire, what's wrong with you? I'm just busy doing my work here. Very busy. I don't have time for someone who is a crazy guy. Huh? I'm very busy. See you.
Okay?
Rastafari.
Good. Good.
Okay. Now.
Rastafari. Hitch. Ni. San. Shi. Go. Rock. Ku. Juke. Ke.
Hello. Puk malacho. Inyano ki match. Kuone unipole no nupoyo ngo. Nya. Wabui kemelo wandina lwen.
Alola kwani.
Wabui maras. Bunywa. Anu de call aboloki. Kemelo wandino. Tier do no be marjay. Ada bien wen kila penda pe to pre marjay bin nerio. Le Manuel Selassie aija.
Rastafari.
Dame dama. Nantin ter peporo. Donc
Yes. Yes. Inano boy, kono jacking on, kono hijacking on, go again. Amiri Hangida, the pay a chulku, and pay a chulku. Holy man, Selassie, I just running to this. Lutero still Poteman, at the dead, Rastafari.
Selassie.
Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one started the outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.